Oh, are you still going? Don't go. I got in my glasses.
Are you mad at me?
Yes.
Hey everybody.
We're Fine's here.
I'm Mary Beth.
And I'm Laura.
And as promised, if you guys were watching Flippin' and Sippin', Laura promised like this huge holiday / Christmas oration.
I don't know if I can get through this.
So she's like really mad at me that I remembered that she said that. And so I've put her in the pink chair in front of the Christmas tree, and I've put a Santa hat on her, and here, let's see what she has to say.
Okay, Mary Beth, thanks for that wonderful introduction.
You're welcome.
And for putting me on the spot like this.
You're welcome.
But when we ended last time, I didn't feel prepared because I thought we should say something even just like the slightest bit nice and serious.
Yes.
So here we go.
Okay.
Okay. I know we have made jokes about my fireside chat, but we just want to take the opportunity to tell you guys how much you mean to us and how much 2020 has meant to us, even though it's been such a bad year. We've been talking about it in the chats. Several people have, and I couldn't agree more. 2020 has been terrible in so many ways, but at least one great thing has come from it. We have made wonderful friends that feel almost like family in this YouTube community. Isn't that right, Mary Beth?
That's right.
So we just want to wish everyone a very Merry Christmas, a wonderful 2021. It's got to get better.
That's right. It does.
So, and we promised you guys to see the light show from the last video. And we had several people call us on that. They were like, oh my God, I thought we were going to get to see the lights.
Yeah.
So we thought that would be festive and fun. Fun way to end this 2020 year of YouTube with you guys. So without further ado, enjoy the lights. Have a very Merry Christmas. And we'll see you all soon in 2021.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Bye.
All right, we are in line to get into this place. I don't know if you guys can tell, but there is just traffic everywhere.
It's the Let It Glow light show.
The Let It Glow light show.
There's millions of lights.
Millions.
30 miles of lights.
30 miles of lights.
Like, I guess, I don't think we're going to drive 30 miles.
Small little update. We've been in the car for approximately 48 hours. We've come from that line of cars over there, and now we're in this line of cars, and we're about to be in that little loopy area of cars over there.
Oh my God, there's another loop of lines of cars.
So this reminds me of being like at an amusement park when you're in line for like the log ride, and you have to like zigzag in between like all the stanchions and everything. Stanchions?
That's right. But
wow.
It's a fancy word.
It's just the word. It's just stanchions. It's
Good thing we got our hot chocolate. It's so festive, Mary Beth.
Oh my God.
I'm rolling this window down again.
Why?
Because it's festive. Like, it needs to be chilly.
Oh, you're so festive. Are you happy?
Yes.
Laura loves nothing more than to be festive. Oh, and look, after this line of cars, we get to be in that line of cars way over there.
It's a lot of cars.
Yeah, so essentially we're in line for the log ride. Okay, so we just got an instruction sheet from this guy.
It's exciting. We're
Oh
getting
my
so
God.
close.
There's like protocol.
It's like to enhance your visit, to enhance your experience, you can get a milk and cookie kit.
A
for
milk and
$5.
cookie kit? What sort of cookies?
I don't know, Mary Beth. It doesn't say.
Well, that's important to know.
And 3D glasses. $3 each, or
What?
2 for $5.
Do we need those?
Yes. We can choose. We can either get the cookies or the glasses.
What are we gonna pick?
Guys, I think we can splurge for both. Isn't that like $8 or something? I've got $8.
Thank goodness our hot chocolate is almost gone. We should have got larges.
Well, yeah, because we've been in this line for 4 days.
For 2 days. Okay, and you tune your radio into the right station, but we didn't want to get copyright strikes, so we
Right.
had to turn it down for a second. But man, Mariah Carey's playing in the background. What could be better than that? And Mary Beth, you have to stay in your vehicle for the entire duration.
What if I want to get out?
No, it's strictly prohibited.
Oh.
It's hazardous to your safety.
Okay. Are you excited?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, we made it.
Turn off your lights, sit back and enjoy the show. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from your friends at
Guys, we made it.
That was Santa.
I'm gonna turn that off real quick, and then I'll probably overlay some music when I show you guys some of this stuff so that we don't get our video kicked off YouTube. All right, so enjoy, friends.